Welcome back to another video. In this week's video, guys, we have returned to Las Ceibas, west of Ajijic. There are 50 homes going to be built in this little gated community. It has a really nice clubhouse with a heated swimming pool and a fully equipped gym and a hangout area for your friends and family. And behind me today, we're seeing this brand new 1-level, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Rich Barney and I've been doing real estate videos here on YouTube for the past 7 years. I'm a real estate agent helping people buy and sell real estate in the area of Lake Chapala, Mexico. Super excited to show you this one behind me today. Let's go and check it out. So as you can see from the facade of the property, you have a covered carport here. Space for 2 vehicles. There's a bit of storage space as well. And here to my left, this is where you actually can come in and go directly in. So if you have a gardener, they can come in that way. They have a private entrance to come into the backyard. What I do really like about this property is, number one, the views. And here that we are at the north part of the property, we have fabulous views of the mountain range behind me. And you have some really nice partial views of the lake heading south. This house is all on 1 level, apart from this 1 step. Coming into this nice foyer area, and it's just like open plan, letting in all this beautiful light. You have a nice skylight here, which has some wooden design within it as well. Brings all this natural light in, and coming in, this is the open plan concept, so everything flows nicely here. We have the kitchen to my right hand side. You have plenty of workspace here on these granite surfaces. I really like that. The black backsplash also is granite. The carpentry is nice. It's rosewood. It's a hardwood here in Mexico. I think they've done a great job on that. Here in the kitchen, we're topped off with a cupola, also bringing in some nice natural light. So running off the kitchen, just to mention, you do have space here in the kitchen to put a couple of bar stools, which is really quite nice. A nice open plan here. You have your dining room and living room that flows nicely out to the covered terrace. This area is topped off with a boveda ceiling. Beautiful, with some nice cove lighting wrapped around it. What I like about these properties is that they just flow really, really nice. So it's a nice open plan space here. There is plenty of space. It flows perfectly. We're coming out to the covered terrace now, and what a lovely covered terrace. It's a big covered terrace. You have space for this 6-seater table, and there's also space to put some comfy couches or something outside. It's a good sized backyard. If you wanted to, I was told by the developer, you could actually put a pool here, and a small pool would definitely fit. Let's go and check out the principal bedroom here. Come with me. Nice principal bedroom, topped off with another boveda ceiling. It's a big room. You could easily put a king-size bed in here. This is a king-size bed actually, and there is still ample space for TV on the wall, a little couch here. It's great. What I like about this room as well, it faces the south-facing garden, so you can come straight out here. You can put a little jacuzzi tub outside as well. Through here we have an ensuite bathroom with a double sink vanity, a walk-in shower and a walk-in closet. Coming down the hallway here, on my left, this is where we're going to have the laundry room, the washer and the dryer, and you've got storage space in here. Either side, we have 2 bedrooms. So this would be the first guest bedroom. There's 2 single beds in here right now. There's also a built-in closet here as well. So this is great for when your guests come. To my right here, we have a full bathroom with a 1-sink vanity and a walk-in shower. And here to my left, this is really, you could use this as another bedroom or just as a TV room. It does have a built-in closet space, which is great. And what I like about these 2 rooms actually is that they both face the mountains. So you get to see these beautiful views. So welcome to the clubhouse here in Las Ceibas. It's a great clubhouse. Here to my right, you've got a heated swimming pool. To my left, this is a great area for getting together with your friends and family. They have a little kitchenette in there too, so you can do little parties and stuff. And then just behind me is a fully equipped gym. Thanks so much for watching the video today. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, hit that notification button and give the video a thumbs up. Much appreciated. Check out my free monthly newsletter. It's in the description of the video. That's it from me. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.